So I'm going to put on the one end cap here, and then I've got a hex here that I can grab onto. So the tailstock's going to be on this side, the headstock's on this side, and then I need to cut a piece of tubing. Take the baggie. So we get our tape. And in this case, we got some shitty ass duct tape. Never use duct tape. It's never the answer. It's probably not even the answer here, to be honest, but. And that should prevent the foam from mostly coming out the bottom. But. No! Now we're gonna shove this tube in that tube. So there we go. Yay! Yeah, we're gonna put this inside our baggie. So just like that, slip that in there, easy peasy. So now we make sure that the bag's not twisted. And now we want to roll the bag over just a little bit here. Okay, now we gotta do the other thing. So that it doesn't like fall apart, because it always falls apart, because like the foam is really strong and it's way stronger than duct tape. Ask me how I know that. So now we've got strap clamps.
I think you're going to be a lot happy if you shorten them now.
You're probably right too. I know.
Like shorten them before you put them around so you don't have to feed the whole length through.
Yay! That looks way more secure than duct tape. I hope that doesn't fall apart, she says, right before it doesn't fall apart. Now we're all ready to go. That needs 4-ounce foam. Because for some reason, when you machine away more of the foam, you need a heavier density foam, otherwise it collapses in on itself overnight. Who would have known? Probably the foam companies. Using different foam. It's more expensive. Yeah. It's at 100 milliliters. Well, no. 5. Fuck it, I can't do math. We're just gonna do 6 ounces of each. Yeah, a little over 6. It's probably okay. 6 ounces. And then we're gonna stir it up, get it all nice and frothy. And then we're gonna mix this in and give it 30 seconds. Did you count to 30? I got to about 20 and then said fuck it because it's overflowing. Whee! Here's the first pour. Now we're done.